So I did the Indie Slam yesterday. Didn't go well. Got me thinking, like, why do I still do this slam thing? You ever been there before? It usually happens like right after NPS in August or during if it's a really tough year. But I'm kind of a late bloomer, not really a summer guy. I like winter. I like winter because I like snow. And I like snow like I like my men. Deep, untouched in photographs, shoveled off my porch before I go to work. I like my snow like I like my men, accumulating softly while I sleep. I like my men like I like my snow, which is to say, at the beginning of the season, I remember them fondly. But the minute they require me to do the least amount of work, I hope to never see another one of those flakes again. I like my men like I like my snow. Light and fluffy at first, but heavier and more full of grit the deeper you dig. I like my men like I like my snow. In theory. I like men. I like snow. I'm often judged harshly by those who don't understand my appreciation of either. And why do I like snow? Is it in my genes? Or do I like it because I was raised in a climate where winter was tolerated, if not fully accepted? I like my men like I like my snow. Oh God, temporary? Just for a few months out of the year? It's been a long time since I've lived anywhere temperate. So do I maybe like snow because I have spent over half my life identifying as someone who likes snow? No. I could never live in a climate lacking winter. I tried that once in college. And again in my mid-20s when I was chasing the mechanical rabbit of heteronormative success that I was told would make me happy. But I like snow. I don't always want to like snow. But I do always like snow, even when it is inconvenient, even when it keeps me from achieving something that I believe I have the right to achieve, even when it means the world is too cold to bear without protection.